Hey everyone, this is Sarah and this is my science presentation for Science Brain Activity 2, and it is on the first law of thermodynamics. The first law of thermodynamics is the universal law known as the conservation of energy. It states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but rather it can be transformed from one state to another. Here are my definitions. Energy is the ability to do work. A system is the specific area of the universe that we are concerned with. Our surroundings are anything that's outside the system. And the boundary is what exists between the system and the surroundings. Often it's physical and it must be specifically defined. Thermodynamics is the branch of physical science which deals with the relationships between heat and other forms. The equation for the conservation of energy is the change in the universe equals the change in the system plus the change in the surroundings equals 0. The types of systems are, first is an open system. This is a system that has a border that matter is able to pass through. Second is a closed system. This has a physical border and the matter cannot freely pass through. And third is an isolated system. This has a border that isolates it from surroundings and it prevents the exchange of energy. Open and closed systems both, the energy can pass through the border into or out of the system. And then here's some examples of these systems. First, for an open system is a lake because there is a border around it, but the matter is still able to pass through pretty freely. Second is a pot with a lid for the closed system. The lid and the outside of the pot prevent stuff from exiting or entering pretty much. And third is a thermos for the isolated system, and its border isolates it from surroundings and it prevents the exchange of energy. Energy lost from a system is gained by the surroundings. The total change in energy of a system equals the final energy minus the initial energy. Here's a little joke comic thing that I found. The guy is saying, "I belch, I scratch, I curse, and I still can't make her disappear. My mother-in-law is a mess. She's a mass I didn't create and I cannot destroy." And here are the sources which I used in making this presentation. First was the lesson on the conservation of energy, and second is a little article entitled "What is the First Law of Thermodynamics" by Jim Lucas. Thanks for watching my presentation, and I hope you learned something from it.